Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. I'll take you on a tour here of some of the engines we got going on here. We got a 383 Chevy Stroker, 475 horsepower, all ready to go. We just finished that one. We got another 350 Chevrolet, 440 horsepower block in the works here. I'll take you out to the assembly room in the shop. The 302 Ford, 350 horsepower engine, just finished up. Got another one over on the stand here, the Black Ridge valve covers. This is a 363 Ford Stroker engine. We just finished last night. It's all tested, ready to go. And I'll take you over here. We're working on a 350 Chevrolet 440 horsepower engine. We're going to be finishing these up today and testing it. This will be ready to go. So there you have it. Some of our engines, the Engine Factory. All set. Thanks for watching.